Assalamualaikum. Welcome to
Salam.
Petramin Express. I'm Eugene Luyas. How may I help you?
I need to change the oil.
Okay, sir. I'll guide you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, this is the next service, sir. 54,000 kilometers. So you're gonna change the oil.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Mas salama. Thank you very much, sir. Drive safe and have a good day.